Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have some night vision glasses. So these are kind of like sunglasses, but night vision. So let's go ahead and check them out. They come in a cool looking little case here with a zipper on it as well. And then it comes with a cleaning cloth. Comes with a little guarantee of quality. And then here are the night vision glasses. So let's go ahead and take off the plastic. And so this is what it looks like here. They kind of have that little yellow kind of look to it. So I guess that's that night vision to make things look bright. And I mean, I can see through it now. Everything looks kind of yellowy. I mean, if I can turn off some lights, I don't have a lot of lights to turn off in here, but I don't think it's going to make too much. It's more to kind of keep the glare from the cars away and all the other funky looking lighting. But I think it looks nice. It looks like a nice aviator kind of sunglasses. My ears are way far back and they kind of still go back to hold on, so I'll be able to wear these even on a hot day if it's sweaty or something like that. They're not going to totally fall off. And I think these look nice on me. It's hard to tell with those lights over there and all the little lights reflecting, but you get the idea. These are good. These are nice looking glasses. Everything looks a little yellowy, but I guess that's what it does as a night vision. So these are cool. I like them. So if you need some good looking ones, these ones here have the black frame and they're very flexible and stuff too. So that's good. So you can just kind of stick them in my little compartment and use them at night when I drive. These are great. Thumbs up for sure.